I'd do these 4 things to keep you, your assistant, and your data safe. First, make sure backups are turned on in Hostinger. In hPanel, you can enable automatic backups, and by default, it's often set to weekly. If you can, upgrade that to daily backups so you can recover your data quickly just in case anything breaks. Second, lock down your dashboard access. Basically, don't leave your OpenClaw dashboard sitting on a public link that anyone can hit. At a minimum, use a strong password, and if you have the option, restrict access so only you can reach it, like limiting it to your IP or putting it behind a private tunnel or VPN. Third, use a security certificate if you add a domain. This isn't required, but it is a good upgrade. Having a security certificate means your connection to the dashboard is encrypted, and you usually set it up with a free SSL certificate through your domain or proxy setup. That way you're not signing in or viewing data over a plain unencrypted domain. And fourth, and most important, treat your tokens like passwords. Your gateway token, Telegram bot token, and API keys are basically keys to your entire setup. Don't paste them into public places, don't screenshot them, and if you think one leaked, you need to change it immediately and replace it in your Hostinger environment variables. And make sure you don't forget to use the first link in the video description when you're signing up for Hostinger. By using that link, you'll automatically get the lowest price available on all VPS plans. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.